missed recording, and that's terrible. Well, fought by a Fantoon for 27 minutes or so. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Denry. Hopefully I'm saying that right, Denry. Anywho, let's see here. Let's go check out Drake. Actually, you know what? I should have a save state, so this is my current game plan is to... Man. Oh, I got hit by like lots of stuff simultaneously. There's no way I'm gonna get out of this. Well, in a way that is successful. Okay, well, there we go. Draygon's gonna be a beast. I do like that this spot right here, I seem to be able to kind of get a good start without dying. Try not to get hit. Darn it anyways. Come on. What's the lowest? Oh, 6,000. Darn it. The best I've gotten so far on just a non-save state fight like this is, I think, 55 or 5,400. Using save states, I beat him. So basically you just, if you want to beat him with save states, you kind of figure out that initial strategy where you're like, okay, cool, I can get through the first few hits without losing any health, and then save state it, and then you focus on the next few hits, save state it, next few hits, save state it, and just keep hammering through that way. Yeah, so I've beaten all the way up to past Mother Brain using save states, and I guess actually once I started hitting the Norfair stuff, I started using the you can refill all of your stuff, and so I basically just keep refilling health. But that was only when I was getting into the Norfair stuff. I don't think I did that with Fantoon at all, or sorry, Draygon at all. Those darn turrets, they just wreck you. Oops. Why did I load here? I don't even know what I got going on here. Okay, well, let's reset that. There we go. But yeah, I found that this, if you start your fight right there, the right turrets don't actually hit you, which is really sweet. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What do we get down to? 7,100. Yeah, it's rough. So Draygon has a 10,000 hit point fight, and then obviously these things are terrible, and they take a lot of health away. Draygon takes like 100 plus away if you get hit by that, which is also... I'm gonna get smacked. Oh, I didn't. That's okay. 6,600. Ah. Oops. I keep hitting my load save state manager instead of... was not a good move. Yeah, so here I just found it's a good spot to... Thank you, I appreciate it. I'm probably going to... Unfortunately, I don't have recordings of it, but probably be done here fairly soon, so thank you. And I'll check out your video too. Alright, I'm going to have to call it a day. Thank you for joining me. I am sorry if you're watching on YouTube. I normally try to do all the recording, and it looks like I only got about 6 minutes of it, unfortunately. Yeah, so what I typically try to do is I do the start streaming soon, and then I go into my gameplay and hit recording, but oh well. Awesome. Well, thank you for following along on this. Got a lot of work still to do, but definitely going to keep at it. And I mentioned this at the start of the stream, but I'll mention it here as well. Let me see if I can kind of scroll through this so you can kind of see it in the recording or whatever. Oh, that's terrible. Let's see if I can do it slowly. There we go. So I am creating a AI Racing League channel. My hope is to try and have people write computer programs to try and beat through some of the games that I have the ability to do this with, and more specifically, not just like Taz style, but specifically doing things like reinforcement learning using Q-learning or PPO or A3C or A2C or any of that kind of stuff, right? Or making up your own kind of algorithm or whatever. But the idea being, run an algorithm and see how the races go. Don't just sit there and go, okay, well, I'm gonna write down that they're gonna move right for 500 frames and then they're gonna jump and then they're move right 500 frames and jump and then go back left and then no, we're not gonna try and do that. But I want to see if we can do kind of more AI oriented stuff. But I thought it'd be fun to try and kind of maybe pit two different kind of approaches together each maybe week or so, or maybe every month. I don't even know yet. I haven't quite straightened that out yet. But yeah, so it'd be kind of a fun experiment anyways. I was just playing with that this morning and I was kind of having some fun. I tried a kind of a random agent Friday night, I think it is, and so that one, it just randomly selects an action. Well, the problem is that your action space is like all of the buttons on your controller, so I'm using a Sega right now for that. So you have all the buttons on the controller, and there's a lot of them it doesn't make sense, right? So it doesn't make sense to have up and down pushed at the same time, or it doesn't make sense to have left and right pushed at the same time, or things like that. And so I decided to go off and fiddle with it and like try to understand what the common actions are for that game. And so like you got like the spin dash, and you got like a run into the ball. So you got running the ball, spin dash, jump left, jump right, a couple of these kind of things. And so I've kind of added a little bit of that. It's actually turned out pretty cool looking so far. So hopefully you guys will be interested in checking that out. Thank you for following me here, and have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye. Also, good luck with the time change if you're in a location that has time changes, because I actually got up at a normal time, but whatever. I wake up super early, so not the end of the world for me, but some people it's rough. All right, thank you. Have a wonderful day. Bye.